How to change text size in Zangi. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Zangi and finding the text a little too small or too large to read comfortably, then here's how you can easily fix that. First of all, launch open the Zangi application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner from the home screen, and inside the settings tab, go ahead and tap on chats. Inside the chat section, you will see text size button, tap on it, and then from the available text size options, find a size that's comfortable for you. You can go ahead and look for small to medium to large. Just find the one and click on OK. Now enter your passcode and you'll be able to see your chat appearing in bigger or smaller size according to your preference. So that's how you adjust and change the text size in Zangi. Whether you prefer larger text or smaller text to fit more messages on the screen, give it a try and you'll be able to do it right away. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.